How to use UnoCoin Dashboard. Are guys facing issues to use UnoCoin Dashboard? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use the UnoCoin Dashboard, open the app and log in into your account. From the home screen, tap on More and then select Dashboard. Here you will see a full overview of crypto activity, including your total portfolio value, recent transactions, and coin-wise distribution. It gives you a quick snapshot of how your investments are performing. You can tap on any coin to view its detailed performance, price history, and transaction records. The dashboard also shows the eye on your wallet balance, active ISIPs, and any pending orders. It's a useful place to track everything in one view and manage your crypto more efficiently. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna use UnoCoin Dashboard. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.